Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com, and I also invite you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook to see a little bit more about who we are and our holistic beliefs in skincare. If you're just tuning in, I started my channel during the COVID pandemic when I had to close down my salons, and I have so loved being here and getting to help people one-on-one. I am 55, I am a holistic master esthetician, and I have over 35 years of practical knowledge touching and healing skin naturally. A few of you have asked me a few things that I love, and so I'm going to be doing a lot more empties videos or favorites because I think that I share so much knowledge and I have so much in my head, and forgive me if it comes out all over the place when I'm here. I try to have a board to my side where Kent tries to keep me focused. Kent is my husband and my director. But I thought maybe this would help to break things down, just maybe a few items at a time. A few of you have asked what I eat every morning, and I will be showing you what I eat in a day again after we move. As you can see behind me, the shelves are getting emptier. We move in the next month. We're really excited, but we're moving a little closer to the kids in our Naples salon. And I guess it's a little bit of a chattiness when I'm talking because I should tell you all these things. Well, we moved here to open a salon in Dana Point, California, and we literally were about to be buying our building. We were negotiating, or no, we were already doing everything, and COVID hit and we pulled out of everything. So the blessing for me through all the stress and all the tears has been all of you tuning in. This is a very hard platform to be on. I just, your support is so important to me, and yes, I wish I would have grown like other channels, but I'm so grateful to be where I am, and I really think what I teach has value. We have now decided to go back towards our Naples salon and just start fresh again. And thank goodness for YouTube. Thank goodness for us starting our online. You know, my products were not something that everybody heard about. I wanted them to stay exclusive to our skincare salons, and this has really been exciting. So these are a few of the empties and the things that I love. The first one is a Peaches product, and I think it's just because, maybe it's just that I've been doing so many facials on these videos for this past year, but I love perfecting polish. This product is probably my favorite. I love my cleansers, I love my masks. I've been making these and tweaking them for over 3 decades, but perfecting polish is incredible. I base it on Cleopatra and what she did with sugar and milk and the things she did for her body and her skin, and then the different things that I read about it. And through the years, this has been incredible to give me flawless, incredible skin. So this is one, I will be repurchasing it. Well, going in and getting it off the shelf. So that's just one thing, perfecting polish. Another thing that I eat every day is steel cut oatmeal. And although I don't love the plastic packaging of this, I always feel so guilty. These are from Trader Joe's. It's a steel cut oatmeal. They're in little plastic microwave ready containers, because whenever I make them oatmeal, it just takes so long, and I'll put it in the refrigerator and it just doesn't, I don't know, after a day or so, it just doesn't taste as good. And these have been incredible. You know, steel cut oatmeal is a superfood. It's got vitamin B in it, iron, and it not only helps your skin if you want to do an oatmeal mask, but it really helps the skin from within. Beta glucans are like fiber, and they really affect that largest organ in the body. So that is one of my favorite things. I eat it every day with all my powders on it, and fruit and homemade granola that Kent makes. One of the powders that I put on it, and I've showed this before, but a lot of you have emailed me and asked me what is the collagen builder that I use, because I am a plant-based eater and so many of them are not plant-based. This is by Plant Fusion Complete Plant Collagen Builder, and it is creamy vanilla bean. And I put some on my oatmeal every single morning, along with my turmeric, my protein, and my flaxseed. I love it. There's so many different studies on collagen right now. Does it work? Doesn't it work? I think it does, and it doesn't hurt me, so I enjoy taking it and putting it on my my oatmeal every day, my steel cut oatmeal. Another thing that I'm loving is Kent and I invested in this while we were here. It's got water in it. Homedics, and we got it on Amazon, and it is a humidifier. And I've loved humidifiers in the past, but never stuck with it. And this time we really have. And one thing I will say, it's helped Kent with his allergies that he has in his nose. He says he's breathing a lot easier. He really feels it. And I absolutely do believe the humidity in the air, especially when we've got our heaters on and it's winter, does help your skin 100%. I also really enjoy leaving a window open at night and just getting that cool breeze. I think it's really important, but this has been excellent. So I'll just hold that up one more time. And we just got this on Amazon, and I don't think we paid very much for it. One thing Kent does is he makes our own distilled water. That's a whole nother video, but we don't love to use plastic bottles. And so he makes us distilled water every day, and my coffee's better, my tea's better, and we also put it into the humidifier. 3 more things. So many of you were asking me about Persagel by Clean and Clear. I use Persagel by Clean and Clear just about every day. You want to really use this as a not only a spot treatment, but I really like you to use it all over your face while your skin is healing, and almost as a what am I trying to say? To prevent, a preventative. And you will find that this is an excellent benzoyl peroxide. It is time released, so it releases itself, or it activates itself throughout the day. Some people, as their skin improves, they'll just put it on their nose, they'll just put it on their cheeks, but you will see a huge difference. Benzoyl peroxide is the one thing that does affect about, oh gosh, a good amount of clients, or not a good amount, but a good amount of clients, to where if there's one thing that you feel red and irritated and burned, it can be the benzoyl peroxide. So just write to me below and I'll guide you through it. The other one is Monistat. A lot of you are asking me about this. You'll say, I'm having bumps on my face, redness. Do you think this is eczema or psoriasis? I'm not a doctor, so make sure you get things diagnosed. But I will tell you, with the physicians that refer to me and just what I've seen in my time doing skin, most skin diseases are overly diagnosed, and a lot of times it's your foundation or bad skincare or bad sunscreen. And Monistat 7, although it is a vaginal yeast infection cream, it's the one that comes in the purple box, they call it Classic or Simple Cure, is miconazole nitrate. And even a dermatologist can prescribe that. And what it is, this is an over-the-counter form, it really kills the active fungus. So we have fungus and bacteria always on our skin, good and bad, but it's when we allow almost an opening for the bad that we have problems. So what would you put this on? If you feel like you have a flakiness or a dry patch, if you're red around your nose because you're a foundation wearer and you love your foundation, if you have an irritation where things look very bumpy, put it on and you will be blown away. I have a video, gosh, quite a few back, and I show a before and after in just one day of when I was testing a product and it really irritated me on my check, and just what Monistat did in less than 24 hours. The last item is Manuka Honey. A lot of you are saying you're not sure where to find it. You want to look for the UMF on it. And forgive me, I know it has something to do with the amount of something in it, and I'm just completely brain dead about that right now. But it's got to be from New Zealand. I don't mean just any honey. It has to be Manuka honey. And I use this whenever I need to feel a healing on my face, or I want to hydrate my skin. It's an incredible hydrator, anti-inflammatory. I mix it with 6 aspirin. I just did that yesterday. If you ever see me in my videos and maybe I look like I have a little red mark or something, it's because I do facials quite often during the week on my skin. I will mix Manuka honey with 6 aspirin for a mask, and I will also mix it with turmeric, and I show you that in another video. But this has been a great brand, and it is, oh gosh, I'm so bad, Mother Earth. And I want to say I got this on Amazon. You just want to be very careful when you're purchasing these. I think Whole Foods has it as well, because not everything is Manuka honey. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope these are some things that you can think about for your skin internally and externally. Subscribe, comment with love below, and I can help you with anything with your skin. I hope you all stay beautiful naturally.